Wheat is one of the many staple foods of our country. For thousands of years, we have been growing many varieties of wheat all over our country. Top companies like ITC, Fortune Foods, and Pillsbury have released their atta products in the market for us to choose from. Wheat can be classified into various types of regional and strain varieties. We have written a buying guide to help you choose the right atta for your needs, and following that, we have recommendations for the 10 best atta brands in the market. Read through to find out more. The first product on our list is atta with multi-grains Aashirvaad. Aashirvaad atta with multi-grains is a blend of 90% wheat and 10% other grains like oats, channa, soya, psyllium husk, isabgol, and maize. The unique blend gives the atta a distinct taste and provides a range of health benefits like controlling blood sugar levels, promoting weight loss, and maintaining a healthy gut. Customers who bought this atta could make soft, tasty rotis, and many became regular buyers of this product since this is multi-grain atta. The buyers should check the ingredients list and make sure they are not allergic to any. The second product in our list is Chakki Fresh Atta Fortune. As the name suggests, Fortune Chakki Fresh Atta is made by grinding wheat on a stone floor mill. The are and tastier. The pack mentions 0% maida, which shows that the atta is made by grinding 100% whole wheat and without subjecting it to processes that may take away the bran and the germ. Customer reviews show that chapatis and rotis made with Fortune Chakki Fresh Atta are a lot tastier, and the price is also lesser than other brands. The next product is Select Sharbati Atta Aashirvaad. Aashirvaad Select Sharbati Atta is made by grinding Sharbati wheat grown exclusively in the fields of Madhya Pradesh. This type of atta is known for its higher protein content and absorbs more water, resulting in softer chapatis. Many tried several brands before settling for Aashirvaad Sharbati Atta among the customers who left reviews for this product because of the comparatively superior quality and good packaging. The next product is Khapli Wheat Atta Swabhiman 33. Swabhiman 33's Khapli Wheat Atta is made by grinding the popular wheat variety, Emma Long Wheat or Khapli. The wheat is sourced from farms that follow organic practices for cultivation and is stone ground to prevent loss of nutrients. This wheat variety has significantly higher dietary fiber content, which is a wonderful choice for people with diabetes and those who are trying to lose weight. Khapli wheat is also known for having weaker gluten content than other wheat varieties. The next product in our list is atta with multi-grains Pillsbury. Pillsbury multi-grain atta is a blend of 90% wheat flour and 10% of soy, maize, barley, ragi, and oats flour. The unique blend gives the chapatis and rotis made with this flour a distinct taste and more nutrition from the extra ingredients present in it. Compared to rotis and chapatis made from whole wheat flour, this multi-grain atta also provides extra iron, protein, and calcium. People who bought this found it to be softer and smoother than other multi-grain atta brands, and many of them are frequent buyers too. The next product in our list is Sugar Release Control Atta Aashirvaad. Aashirvaad Sugar Release Control Atta is a blend of 84.5% whole wheat flour and 15.4% of defatted soy flour, Bengal gram flour, oat flour, psyllium husk powder, maize flour, and fenugreek powder. The extra ingredients are known for controlling the sugar level spikes after eating carb-rich food. Along with its extra protein, these ingredients also help keep your gut healthy by providing 16.5 grams of fiber per 100 grams. Among the customers, some people purchased this for the members of their family who are diabetic and found it keeping the blood sugar levels steady. The next product in our list is Multi-Millet Atta Manna. Manna Multi-Millet Atta is a blend of 74% whole wheat and 25% of bajra, ragi, jowar, soybean, and fenugreek seeds flour. The product provides 11 grams of protein, 5.1 milligrams of iron, and 120 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams. This atta is rich in zinc, calcium, magnesium, and iron. It also promotes easy digestion. Customer reviews show that the chapatis come out soft and fluffy, even though 25% of this atta is millets. The next product is Organic Whole Wheat Atta 24 Mantra. 24 Mantra Organic Whole Wheat Atta is made by grinding wheat sourced from farms following organic bran and germ of the wheat. The wheat contains 10.5 grams of protein, 11.4 grams of dietary fiber, 4.1 milligrams of iron, and 125 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams. Product reviews show that the puris and rotis made with 24 Mantra Organic Whole Wheat Atta come out puffy and delicious. You can also use this whole wheat atta to make tandoori rotis and parathas. The next product is organic wheat flour Pure and Amp. Sure, Pure and Amp shows wheat flour is made by grinding wheat grown without the use of any chemicals or pesticide, making this a healthy atta choice. You can use this atta to make soft and puffy puris, chapatis, and crispy rotis. Customer reviews about this product mainly mention the natural flavor in the chapatis people make and how soft they turn put to be. The next product in our list is Digestive Atta NutroActive. NutroActive Digestive Atta has the highest dietary fiber content of 25 grams per 100 grams compared to other atta brands. Other than wheat flour, it also contains wheat fiber, wheat bran, quinoa, oats fiber, and amaranth, making this apt for people suffering from constipation since the fiber promotes good bowel movement. This atta also contains 17 grams of protein per 100 grams, which helps in meeting your daily protein requirement. For people who are trying to lose weight, the high fiber and protein content reduces sugar cravings by keeping you full for many hours. Do you think this list makes sense? Leave a comment for us. You can find the product link in the description of the video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest reviews.